Okay, guys, so this is our ingredient for our jerk salmon. Look at this beautiful salmon that I have right here. Nice and fresh. I got some fresh thyme. I have some crushed garlic. I have some olive oil. And I have a specific one for roasting, okay? And I have garlic powder, onion powder, adobo seasoning, and of course the jerk seasoning, guys. And I have unsalted butter. So let's get started. So here in the pan, I am adding some olive oil and my butter. And now I'm gonna add some fresh thyme. So some of the fresh thyme I leave whole, and keep the fire, guys, on medium low. The purpose is for everything to melt and marinate together. Okay, I forgot and I had left it on medium high for a minute until I realized, but make sure it's on medium low. Also, you have not subscribed yet, guys. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, the bell button that's going to let you know every time I upload a new video. And please hit that like. And if you love my recipes, don't be selfish, guys. Don't be selfish. Share this video, okay? So right now, I also added my crushed garlic. And you could add as much garlic as you want or leave out the garlic, or it's up to you. Make this recipe your own, okay? So here I have melted everything. Like I said, I forgot the fire. I left it a little high, but keep yours on medium low, okay? And here I added about 2 tablespoons of my jerk seasoning. Okay, if you can't find jerk seasoning in your area, guys, I got some affiliate links in the bottom. Click on that. I have some of the jerk seasoning on there. Go ahead and purchase that. I have also the adobo seasoning and some other things. Just check it out. And again, I'm just making sure all of this is marinating on medium low. Okay, so while that is going on, I'm gonna go ahead and season my salmon with some adobo. And this salmon was pretty big. Like the slices, as you could see, they were pretty thick. I was like shocked, but it was delicious. I mean, it was so delicious. Y'all know I get excited about this recipe. I love to cook. I love to eat. So here I'm making sure that I'm seasoning my salmon very good. All right. And here most of the seasonings we're using, as you can see, is fresh ingredients or seasonings that really don't have salt. So the adobo, of course, has the salt. So that one, and I think the jerk seasoning has a little bit of salt, but not much. So here I'm adding some the garlic powder. And again, guys, you put as much as you like, okay? And it all depends too on the thickness of your salmon. These were pretty thick. It was a big old piece that I cut into these pieces, and they were pretty thick. So you want to, definitely put enough seasoning on there. But if your salmon fillets are thinner, of course you add less. All right, so you make the judgment. You make the judgment. So here, guys, I am adding now my mixture of my jerk. Guys, when I tell you, like, I wish I could jump from my screen to yours and let you smell this seasoning and listen, and also give you the taste like already cooked. I would do it. But this salmon came out incredible. So here I am making sure that I am covering up with my jerk mixture. All right. As you can see, you gotta give each piece love, guys. If you be patient and you give each piece love, I'm telling you, they're gonna love you back. I'm telling you, they are going to love you back. But here, as you can see, I'm giving each piece the love that it deserves. And I'm prepping all of them, and now as you can see, I'm placing them in the grill. I like using, as you can see, these racks. Like I have mentioned before, you could find these like TJ Maxx, Home Goods and stuff like that for grilling, and it's more easy for you to grab, you know, whatever you're cooking, steak, salmon, all of that. And look how beautiful those salmons are. Okay, you can't tell me that's a beauty. So I went ahead and I had covered it and let it cook for a few minutes. As you could see, look at that jerk seasoning, guys. Look, I'm telling you, it's nothing but flavor up in here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start turning it. And the beauty about you buying salmon and filet with the skin, when you're gonna grill it, is better, because as you can see, it's gonna stick. But I just turn it like that and I put it in top of the skin. It works like a I don't know, like another piece of pan that you're using to turn your salmon. All right, as you can see, I'm turning my pieces. Guys, I'm telling you, this salmon is delicious. Also, guys, if you do not have a grill, okay, to make this recipe, it's fine, because I cook all these recipes during the winter too. And what I do, this salmon here, I cook it on medium broil in my oven. On medium broil, okay, not high broil, on medium broil for at least about, I would say about 10 minutes. You just keep an eye on it. Again, it all depends on the thickness of your salmon. Okay, how long it's gonna take for it to cook. So here I am basting the bottom of it, as you could see, with the remaining of my jerk seasoning. I'm telling you, and then this salmon was so tender, guys. Like, it was so tender, like you just barely touch it with the fork, and this salmon was just coming apart. All right, what? Look at here, like I'm about to turn it, and as you can see, like it's just tender. All right, it's just tender. And if you like eating the skin, I like when I grill the skin, that thing tastes almost like nice potato chip or something. I also eat some of the skin, and of course it has all that wonderful omega that you need for your body, right? So here I'm trying to hold the camera while I am turning it, so I could give you a complete look of how I am turning it in a close-up. So if I mess up a little bit, guys, I'm just trying to do my best. Okay, I'm trying to do my best. I'm multitasking here. All right. So this is my last turn. I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna let it cook for a few more minutes. And this is it. They are done. Look at that beauty, guys. You could eat it with that Jamaican rice, which I also had the recipe below, okay? Enjoy, and I will see you on the next recipe. Have a great day.